guys, so it's me again, yung ating yung Jaja, no edit, no filter, just Mia. So ayan, we're talking about future dreams, goals, and pursuing your dreams. Kung nandito ka sa akin channel, so don't forget to subscribe. And so we're talking about, do you think you deserve your dream? So, pinaghihirapan mo ba yan? Are you working hard for it? So let's talk about it. So, lahat tayo may kanya-kanya dreams. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang pinagsisikapang pangarap sa life, okay? Ikaw ba meron? Kung wala ka, OMG, mag-isip ka na. First of all, isipin mo yung self mo. Ano ka ba sa future self mo? And ano ang mai-offer mo sa mga magiging anak mo? O sa pamilya mo in the future? Or even sa pamilya mo ngayon? Lahat tayo, hindi naman tayo nabubuhay para sa sarili lang natin, di ba? Nabubuhay tayo dahil meron tayo kanya-kanyang pamilya. Gusto natin sila makitang ngumiti. But before that, kailangan we work hard for everything we do. Kailangan we deserve all the dreams na ibibigay niya sa atin. Ako kasi hindi talaga ako mahilig sa easy money. For example, yung gusto kong kumita ng pera, but then, hindi ko naman siya pinaghirapan. What I'm trying to say is, for example, galing sa mga masasamang bagay, like, nagkaroon nga akong pera, pero kinupit ko naman, right? Hindi ganon, hindi ako ganon. I mean, mas mainam yung i-work hard mo ang isang bagay. Like, paghirapan mo, halimbawa nagtatrabaho ka ngayon, mag-ipon ka. Dahil meron kang goal. Gusto mo magkaroon ng business in the future. Gusto mong mag-aral. Gusto mong kumanta. Siyempre, lahat ng bagay, may mga kanya-kanyang journey tayo. For example, gusto mong mag-vlog. Siyempre, araw-araw kailangan consistent ka. And dapat deserve mo yung blessing niya. Siyempre, andyan yung pagiging consistent. Kailangan ipagpursige mo. Kailangan ipakita mo na you deserve to that dreams. Kasi lahat tayo, lahat ng tao sa mundo, sobrang dami, nangangarap araw-araw. But ikaw, tingnan mo lang yung mga matatanda na nagtitinda ng ice cream, sorbetes. They are selling ice drops under the sun, walking in the streets, pushing a cart, nagtitinda sila, fighting for their life. It means they have a dream. It means may dream sila for their kids, or either, for example, wala pang anak, may dream pa sila para sa kanila sarili. Nag-iipon sila. That's the example. So, ikaw, I hope, ikaw, na nanonood ngayon, I hope may dream ka for yourself, for your family. So, ang tanong, deserve mo ba? Siyempre, kailangan mong paghihirapan yun. Work hard, kasi ako ganito ako eh. Talagang pinaghihirapan ko yung isang bagay. Siyempre, may mga times hindi din tayo perfecto. May mga times na inconsistent. May times na tatama rin ka. Especially lalo kapag nagka-period ka, di ba? Oh my God, parang ayaw mong gumalaw sa bed mo. Meron naman din mga lalaki, kapag, ayan, naaya na ng barkada, iinom na, for the whole day, iinom na yan. Nakalimutan din nila may goal sila sa araw na yun. There's a lot of distractions in the whole world. There's a lot of temptation. But it's all because of you. Why the things happen? Cause wala kang discipline. Sometimes you have to write it down. Put alarm. Okay, I need to do this today. I need to do this today. Hindi ko magawa to kasi may deadline ako. And you have to work for it, okay? Kasi hindi mo alam, one day magiging successful ka kasi lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo, it will be worth it. And there's magiging worth it siya sa takdang panahon. Kasi nakikita ni God na pinaghihirapan mo yun. And kapag minsan di mo na alam ang gagawin mo, nawawala ka, nalalost, you are feeling lost, you afraid, Lord God, please help me, give me strength. And I always say before I leave the room or house, I can do all things through Christ who's God's in me. Please guide me, please protect me from everything. You'll never know what happened outside of your house, even inside the house. So always put God first. He is the one who knows everything what will happen. So always be humble yourself. So sana one day makita niya na you deserve this kind of dreams. You deserve it. And one day magbubunga lahat ng mga pinaghihirapan mo. Basta magtiwala ka lang at huwag kang susuko sa isang bagay na pinaghirapan mo. Ako, feeling ko ang layo na nararating ko. But then, may mga dreams pa akong hindi nakukuha. First of all, pinaka gusto ko talaga is to have my big family. At least 2 or 3 daughters with the boys also. And then, if I am lucky and if I deserve, God will give me a twins, right? And then second na lang yung business. Kasi yon business, mapaghihirapan ko yun. And I know I can do it. I am confident because God is with me. He gave me a vision. He knows me well. He knows me well. Yung kasing kids talaga, it feels like, I really feel that if they come in my life, OMG, masarap daw yun sa feeling. Para kang my best friend and hindi mo masabi. And I hope one day masabi nyo sa sarili niya na, I think I deserve this, Papa Jesus. Thank you so much for your blessing. It's too much. Yun yung masasabi nyo. Huwag kayong mawala na pag-asa. Don't lose hope. And don't you ever give up to your dreams. One day, in one snap, God will give it to you. I know na you are in a waiting season. In God's perfect timing, God will make it happen. Okay? Don't you forget that. If someone needs this video, you share it to them. Okay? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos, and comment down below if you experience His grace. Bye! And always remember, nothing is impossible with God. Just trust the process.